This might be the best bird show. I just saw it. All the tiny ones just landed, and it was beautiful to see. Now, I don't know if they noticed me sneaking up on them. I'll go high tech. To see this right now is, oh, it's so nice. Ah, wow. Pretend you don't see me. Uh-oh. One step too far. Oh wow. Back in.